Hi, welcome back to Campbell's Freedom Farm. Okay, so if you saw on a previous video, my mom planted these in the recycled egg carton. They worked out really well. So you can see we have the lettuce, it's a mix of lettuce blends, and then we have the chamomile. And we're gonna take a picture of this, but if you can see on the bottom, the roots are really growing a lot down here. So it's gonna stop growing basically, can't grow any farther. So what we wanna do is we wanna put it in this container. Because look how light this is. We can take this inside when it's hot outside, and then I can use it in the kitchen all the time. So it's perfect. You can make tea and salads. So what we want to do first is we want to just go ahead and fill this up with a little bit more soil. And we're just going to add just a couple handfuls just to get it to about to the rim right here. So all the soil's in here, and before we go, so a lot of times, at least for the region that we live in, it gets so hot in the summer, so the lettuce is dead by the time you get to the summer, so then you can't have salads or put it on all of your food. So what happens is it bolts. It gets a really kind of yucky flavor actually, which we have done if we want the seeds. So if you want the seeds, that's brilliant. Maybe keep one or two and let them bolt and collect all the seeds. But with this, I can put this inside next to a window, or I can put it in the basement where it's cooler. And we've had these last for years, so it's really amazing. Okay, so before we put these in, we're gonna go ahead and put the best way to grow on earth, and it's the soil moist. So we're gonna go ahead and put about 1.5 teaspoons of this in here. Okay, so with this, the soil moist can reduce plant watering by 50%, which is a lot actually. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle this over. And for this, we're going to use 2 of these, and we're going to just kind of gradually mix it in and then put our plants in. So this is perfect if you forget to water. Okay, we're going to clean that up. So what we want to do is just slowly mix this in. And also, we're leaving all the leaves in here because it was a compost, so it's really going to add a lot of nutrients in it. Okay, so we are ready to plant. We're going to start with our lettuce on one side, and we're just going to scoop it out with a spoon, and we're just going to put it right on this side actually, because we're going to leave the tree. So we're going to put it in, kind of lightly cover it, and we're just going to continue this and get all of the lettuce first, and then on the other side we're going to put the chamomile. What's great about these is we've already hardened them off so they could stay outside unless there's a deep freeze, which we know always happens after we plant. But this is great because we can bring it in. Okay, so if the chamomile gets too big, we can always retransplant it later on. All right, and before we go, don't forget to use this with potted plants. It really helps. It reduces, the watering by 50%. Also, in about a month, you got to go over to Cooking with Taylor and Stefan and see us cook with all of this chamomile and the lettuce. Well, please subscribe, like, and share, and have a great day.